This is a story about Henry the Hedgehog. Henry the Hedgehog lived in a forest, in a giant pile of leaves. He loved everything about forest life, the animals, plants, and trees. But Henry also had a dream to one day be a star. He wanted to be an ice skater and skate in rinks near and far. At school, the other animals didn't believe he could. They said, "Henry, no one ice skates out here in the woods." But Henry believed that he could try to skate and dance and even fly. So he packed his suitcase and took a train in the hope of finding Skating Lane. In the big city, Henry felt lost. He didn't know where to go. But then suddenly, a miracle, you see, for it finally started to snow. An ice rink was made, but Henry was the smallest one, and he just kept falling over. But then he heard a great big whoosh as someone bumped his shoulder. He looked up and saw Emily the rabbit glide. "Come on, my spiky friend. Just move your legs side to side." Henry was so happy to see someone just like him. So he picked himself up and off he went. He was finally ice skating. He was gliding and sliding, twirling and flying, and feeling so wonderful. All of a sudden, he had a bright idea. "Emily, can you help me?" he asked gently. "I want to make an ice rink on the forest floor so all the animals can enjoy skating, ice hockey, and more." But the forest isn't very cold and it doesn't always snow." "I know," cried Emily. "We could use melted candy to make a slippery rink. Then we'll invite all our friends and see what they think." They made a rink for everyone to enjoy and play. The forest animals laughed and skated and shouted, "Hip, hip, hooray!" Henry was happy. He helped make everyone smile. Now time for some rest in his lovely leafy pile. The end. Now let's take a look at a real-life hedgehog. Hedgehogs are not just cute and adorable creatures. They're also very clever and very unique. As you can see here in this clip, hedgehogs are covered almost entirely with these prickly little spikes, which help protect them from dangerous animals and dangerous environments. There are over 15 types of hedgehogs, and they can live up to 7 years. Now, mostly they live in the grass, and you might find them at the bottom of your garden or at the edge of a forest. But they're actually also very good swimmers, as you can see in this video here. And did you know that they love to climb trees? So there are our fun facts and stories of hedgehogs. I hope you enjoyed this lesson today and enjoyed reading along with me. Don't forget, you can go back to the video and start again and read all by yourself. We'll see you soon. Bye!